Congratulations on giving your child one of their most favorite childhood memory. Thank you for your purchase. Let me quickly show you how to take care of Dohdough. Step 1. Make sure you give appropriate quantity for your child to play with, as the quantity which Dohdough comes in is too much to play with all at once. Step 2. Transfer Dohdough into any airtight container present at home so that the Dohdough does not dry up. We try and minimize the use of single-use plastic in our packaging so that we can practice and promote recycle, reuse and reduce. Step 3. If you see signs of Dohdough being dried up, that is white color salt crystallization or Dohdough being crumbly, add a few drops of kitchen oil and knead it. Once the oil is kneaded in, you will see that it becomes fresh as new. Step 4. Always make sure that your child uses a plastic mat or a dining table mat underneath to play, not a newspaper, because newspaper will soak in all the oil and make the dough dry. You could give an example saying that as we go to office to work and go to school to study, we also have a designated place to play, because play is the occupation for children. We are emphasizing discipline and routine in our children. Isn't it a very playful manner using Dohdough to teach your child discipline? And lastly, when you take care of Dohdough and love Dohdough, Dohdough will love you back.